Okay, so next question is design a DFA over the same sigma such that accepted string must end with A, B, A. Suppose this is the question. So as for the first step, we have to think about the language. So smallest string in this case is AB itself. Before ABA, there can be any number of times we can have A, or we may have ABA, we may have any combination of this. So it means at the end the string must have ABA. So in this case ABA is the smallest string, so we have to start the diagram from the smallest string available in the language. So ABA 3 input symbols, it means we have 4 states. So input symbol A, B, A. This is the smallest string in this case ABA. So we have 4 states Q0 to Q3. So ABA is going to be accepted, that's why Q3 is the final state. Now we have to complete the diagram. So starting from first one, let's take input symbol B as a self loop because B can be repeated any number of times before this ABA. Now come to Q1. So what happen if we have A? So ABA, or we may have AABA, we may have AABA, we may have AAABA. It means ABA is the end part of string, so that is going to be accepted. That's why here we can take a self loop for A. Now come to Q2. What happen if Q2 has input symbol B? So B, input symbol B, so it means the pattern has disturbed. We have A, B, B, A, but we need at the end A, B, A. It means after Q2 we have to move backwards for Q0. So input symbol B, Q2 going towards A, so after this B we are able to get A, B, A from the end part of string. Now come to Q3 where we have suppose A. So what happens if we have A, B, A? So that is again disturbing the pattern. We need A, B, A. It means we have to move backwards towards Q1, so with input symbol A, because we need A, B, A, A, B, A. Observe the pattern. Now what happen if we have input symbol B here at state Q3? So Q3 if have B, it means we are taking input string like A, B, A, B. So A, B, A, if B comes here, what we need only A again. It means we can use this A, B, A, and this A, B, A, B. It means we can move back at state number A, B, A. So A, B, A again. So A comes here. Towards the initial state, that is B. So if we have A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B, and we need A, B. So this A, B, A will come only at this position. That's why we are taking this turn. So this is the complete diagram for this type of question where the string must end with A, B, A. Thank you.